January 16, 2022. Crypto near all-time lows. Fear, a lot of fear in the markets. Currently at a 20. It dipped on January 7th to its lowest level. The funding rate, they're mostly mixed right now, right? Bybit sort of mixed, but not really. It's about neutral. Binance is about neutral. So not heavily in the negative by any measure either. The total liquidations, we can check. Let's do all. Maybe 12 hours. And we haven't really, let's maybe just do, I guess 12 hours is the highest. Yeah, very, very little liquidations. Nothing's really happening. And no clear signal where it's going either, right? Let's check the open interest. It's kind of upticking a little bit here. Let's do the 4 hourly. All right, it's going down again. It sort of went up a little bit here, but it seems to be lowering as well, the aggregated open interest. Let's check Bitcoin. This is the main view I have. Don't mind all the colors. The redder it is, the higher the resistance, all the way down to green, the lowest. This is the fib levels, these dashed green lines. It looks like Bitcoin is trying to break through the golden pocket. A lot of resistance here. But if you look at these wicks, right, the 12 hour, you can even look daily. It's just wicking up there. It's look at these candles. I mean, the price just has nowhere to go. This is extremely tight. Whether it goes up and down, it just ends up at the same point. Look at this. It's unbelievable, actually. I have no clue what's going to happen. I'm going to short it right here. I just feel like it's going to go down. A lot of people are bullish. I'm bullish in the long term right now. I just feel like it's going to go down. Look at this massive squeeze, this 12-hour squeeze right here. We can compare it with the one up here, but it's even tighter, right? So a big move is incoming. The bunch of these little, whatever you call them, candles. There's a name for it. I can't think of it right now. But the price doesn't know where to go. It's the same as here, right? Wicks on both sides, meaning the price kind of does this, ends up at the same spot, does something like this, ends up at the same spot. So no clear signal on way to go. But I can tell you if it hits this top part, 44,000, and wicks above, there's going to be this resistance, then this resistance. It's going to be really hard to break through that. So I don't know what's going to happen there, but I would short when it hits this point. It's a great opportunity to short right here at 44,200. That's Bitcoin. Let's check Ethereum quickly. Same thing. We got a big squeeze equivalent to this. Where is it going to go? Well, Ethereum's much better, right? Golden pocket down here. So it bounced off the golden pocket, never went in. Now it's checking that, I think, 0.5 fib level. Yeah, 0.5. And it's above it as well. So it's using that as support. And when we hit it just today, there was a massive amount of volume as well. Massive amount of volume. Where's my volume chart? Do I not have volume on? Oh man, it's condensed. Sorry about this. Let's do volume. Right, the second it hit this point, you can actually look at the 30-second too, 30-minute. Right, large. Look at these candles. All right, this is an order block. This is how they look like. So a large order was placed, and you can tell the consistent volume levels, but this is how an order block looks like. So, but it retraced the second it got to this top range, right? Maybe it filled one of these. No, the imbalances were filled down here, I'm pretty sure. So it's falling pretty heavy, right? This was an order block. I think the overall trend was down and someone placed a massive order. And it seems to happen every time they hit this fib level. Happened here as well, right? So someone's trying to keep it above this level in general, the 0.5 fib level. I think it's going to go lower, right? I think you're going to see a sharp retracement now. So having said that, if you look at the daily, and we'll be done very soon, looking at the momentum on the daily Ethereum, right? Look at how long the momentum has traveled already, yet it retraced very little. The momentum is past this point already, yet the price was much higher, right? So it's not really going much. It's not a great sign. Same thing here. The momentum has almost gone back to this point up here, where the price should be at 48,000. It's looking like sort of a dead cat bounce. I could be wrong. Maybe we're trying to get the bears to short it, and then we'll get a short squeeze. I don't see it right now. I don't think there's anything to really point to that. Be safe. Very hard times. I'll be coming out with new videos about Wyckoff very soon.